Hello everyone, welcome to our next session. So when we say language is used in a different way for different styles of writing. Like for a literature writing, it is shown in a written in a different way. For a scientific way, it is different way. हिस्ट्री के लिए लिखना है तो डिफरेंट वे में लिखते हैं. सो देर आर डिफरेंट languages used in different ways. So let's see the next unit. Language used in literature, scientific and social science writing. Now we will do a simple comparison. लिटरेचर राइटिंग्स में क्या होता है, साइंटिफिक राइटिंग्स में कैसे होता है, एंड सोशल साइंस राइटिंग में हाउ द लैंग्वेज इज यूज्ड. ओके, now just we will do a difference between or comparative study which will be easy for us to remember for a longer duration of time. So literature में basically literature में क्या होता है कि writers share their emotions, attitude and feeling. Sharing the writer's emotions, attitude and feeling, ये literature में होता है. So all poems हो गए, so वो stories हो गए, story writings, so all this fairy tales, these all things are in which the writers share their emotions and attitude and feelings. Then scientific writing में describes the world around us. Scientific writing में it will explain आपके around में क्या है और आप क्या हो. This will explain, describes that thing. Then social science में uses simple sentences. Social science में they use simple sentences. Now you know what a simple sentence, what a compound sentence, and what a complex sentence. We have already studied in our previous units. So you can just go to our previous unit and see what are the simple sentences. So they use only simple sentences. Then literature writing में they do not have diagram, figures etc. literature writings में diagrams, figures वगैरह नहीं रहते, just literature writing होता है. Then scientific writing में they have diagrams, figures and etc. कुछ structure of heart है तो उसका diagram बनाना पड़ेगा, ray of light का दिखाना है how it pass, so इसका structure बनाना पड़ेगा. The different phases of moon दिखाना है, so उसका diagram या figure बनाना पड़ेगा. Sometimes you need to present it on the graphs, so वैसे, so like that. So yes, it has diagrams and figures. Then social science also will have diagrams and figures. Okay, then based on short stories and novels. So these are literature writings में examples क्या है, short stories and novels रहते हैं. Scientific writings में these are basically subjects, जैसे biology है, chemistry है, this all scientific writings. Physics है, this all are scientific writings. Okay, science related research वगैरह something. Then social science में which are the subjects, the business है, economics है, history है, this all are the social science के subjects होता है. Okay, social science, history, social science is one, so this kind of social science. Then words used can be replaced by other word. literature में एक word को जैसे हम लोग ने we have seen the synonyms, we can use the different words of the similar meaning in literature. But scientific writing में you cannot, वो particular word is only dedicated for that sentence. You cannot change the different word. Like for reflection of light you cannot say the image of the light या कुछ भी. रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए रिफ्लेक्शन ही आपको यूज करना पड़ेगा, शैडो के लिए शैडो यूज करना पड़ेगा, डायमेंशन के लिए डायमेंशन वर्ड यूज करना पड़ेगा. लाइक दैट, you cannot change that word. Then you use idioms, you can use idioms and phrases. We have seen what are idioms and what are phrases in our previous sessions, in the other language sessions, in our old this videos. You can please go back and see the what are idioms and phrases. So idioms and phrases are used to make the literature more attractive and beautiful to the readers. Then science में the scientific writing में the to the point and logical, they talk to the point and logical things. Then they in literature may have repetition. some words may repeat, some sentences they might repeat again and again, but in scientific writing there is no repetition. Okay, so these are the comparison. आपके पूरे यूनिट में इतना ही ये तीन चीज़ों के बारे में बताया हुआ है, and this all things we have compiled in together and brought it on one board and one paper, so that you can understand easily and remember easily. So these are the literature writings, scientific writings and social science writings. फर्स्ट 3 पॉइंट्स में आपको मिलेंगे, लास्ट सोशल साइंस के इसमें सिर्फ 3 ही पॉइंट्स है, फिर आगे के इसमें पॉइंट्स नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट 3 पॉइंट्स यू कैन, एक मिल गया तो आपको बाकी के 2 भी मिल जाएंगे. देन अदर 3 पॉइंट्स यू कैन रिमेंबर. इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस, वर्ड्स कैन बी रिप्लेस, यहाँ पे वर्ड कैन नॉट बी रिप्लेस. देर आर दे हैव रिपीटेशन, दे डोंट हैव रिपीटेशन, लाइक दैट. ओके, hope you like the session. Thank you for listening to our videos and following our channel. Please do subscribe our channel and show your love. Please also press the bell icon, so any new notification, new video will come, you will notified by due to this bell icon. Please also press the like button and share, and also do comment if you have any doubts. Thank you for listening. Love you all.